The party was nice, the party was pumping.
Hey, yeah.
And everybody having a ball.
Hey, hey.
Until the fellas started name calling. And the girls respond to the call. I hear a poor one shout out,
who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out? Who let the dogs out?
I see the young people had a ball cause Billy Fountains get out. Get back Gruffy, bash Gruffy, get back you flea infested mongrel. Gonna tell myself I'm man, no get angry.
Hey, yeah.
280 cars calling them K9. Hey,